How to make portfolio pages in Squarespace. So in order to do that, first head over right here into your actual Squarespace dashboard. And from in there, head over right here to this actual website. Click onto these pages. And from in there, make sure to add your portfolio. I already have my portfolio right here. But for example, if you don't have that yet, you can proceed to actually click on this plus icon. Then you can choose in here the portfolio option. And then from in there, you can choose the portfolio layout that you wish to utilize. Header bridge is right here, this one. After that, that page should be added right here, and it's now named like that. Let's name this portfolio only. And here is already our page that we have created. You have the option to edit it and change the actual projects, the images associated to that project, as well as editing it according to the one that you want it to present. So that's how you make portfolio pages in Squarespace. Hope you helped.